Hi Bean Beauties, Dee Dee Bean here. How y'all doing? Today I'm doing something a little bit different. I am doing a car unboxing collab. I have granny duty this week and I am actually in my son's car because, my car is not working. Well, today was a busy day. I think I got it inspected. I got the tags on it, but it needs front tires and it needs forgot what else. Oh, now the door is not registering to close, so I don't know, but I'm in the car line waiting for the grandkids to come out, and I have about 25-ish minutes, and I thought I would go ahead and try and do my collab unboxing. It is a Dooney and Bourke. All of those of you who know what this means, it means that it's a Dooney and Bourke item, but it's not directly from Dooney and Bourke because I am doing a collab with the one, the only, the most fabulous Ivana from My Pursuit of Happiness. Woohoo! Woohoo! She and I are doing a trade video. Can you believe it? I'm actually doing a trade. I can't believe it. Whoops. Sorry. Yes, she reached...
The voice prompt can be interrupted at any time by pressing the talk button again and...
I don't know what I did. Whoops. My son's car is talking to me. I don't know what I did. Yeah, what's funny is I was talking to Candy from Candy Sweet Love for LV when the first time I needed to get in the car to go pick up the kids, and I had to call her and I tell her, Candy, do you have a fancy car that you push the button and it's supposed to start? And she says, yes. Why? And I said, because I'm supposed to be picking up the kids in like 30 minutes and the car, I keep pushing the button and the car won't start. I don't know how to do it. I don't know what I'm doing. And she says, put your foot on the brake. And I went, put my foot on the brake. She goes, put your foot on the brake. So I put my foot on the brake, press the button, and ta-da, it worked. I've told y'all, I'm lowbrow. I don't know about all this fancy stuff. I don't have the fancy key fobs. I don't have any of that stuff. I'm going to show you, now that I've got my car back after like about a year, I'm going to show you how lowbrow I am and how I just drive them until they cannot be driven anymore, so that you know that, I'm not all about status and cars and all the fancy status. I'm just like in love with the handbags and things that I like. I'm cheap. Cheap by necessity originally, and not cheap by nature because I'm used to it. So anyway, back to why you're here. It's a collab with Ivana, and it's a trade. She reached out to me when I was talking about it was the video collab that I had did with Autumn Beckman when we did our the handbags we banned in our collection because of whatever reason. And there was a bag that she liked and had reached out and said, if you consider selling that bag, if you want to sell that bag, I'll buy that bag from you. And I was like, are you up for a trade? And you'll have to go over to her channel and watch her channel to find out what bag that was. And so she sent me 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 several bags to choose from. And when I saw this one, I saw the other ones, I was like, ooh. And when I saw this one, I said, I want it, because I have, never seen this silhouette before. And then I definitely don't have it, the style, or I don't have the style, or not necessarily the silhouette, but I don't have the, you'll see it. It's a different design on the leather and things. Is it even leather? I don't even know if it's I don't even remember. So the box came in just before I went to vacation, like the day before we were leaving. And so I didn't get to unbox it rather. So I'm doing it now. So let's see. Oh, I always like to show you, but this is not working. Oh my goodness. Okay, y'all, hold on. Ooh. Okay, this is how she boxed it. Nice and pretty. And let me put it over here. So y'all won't be able to see me pull it out, but I will show y'all. Oh, wow. Oh. Let me see. Let me see if I could just fold these back and then bring the box back to where I had it, because the box actually was giving me blocking the light. So that's better. You can see me better. So here, she put lots of cushion. So here is the bag. And I have no idea what size it is. I think she told me the name of it, but whoops. People are gonna get mad at me. Okay, there. How about that? Okay, so here it is. Oh, it's so pretty, the color. Oh my goodness. It looks brand new. Look at that. It looks brand spanking new. Ivana, did you even use this? You know, I can't even say that because, you know, I've got like what, I don't know, like 1,000,001 bags. And you know I haven't used them all. But they're sitting there waiting for their special day to come. So, oh my goodness. I don't have this silhouette at all. And look at the color. Oh my goodness. I'm glad I did this in the car because I think you can see it really pretty with the daylight. It's beautiful. Look at this. This is like a weave of some kind. And when she said it, she goes, I knew you were going to like that bag, get that bag. And it's cute. It's a perfect size. It has the front zipper here. Nice pocket. Yeah. Look at that. I don't know what it's called. And here is the inside. Oh, there's a card. She put a card in here. She put my name on it. Let's see if I can read this to y'all. Hugs and kisses. Hugs and kisses. Look, she gave me a sticker. See, Dooney, you didn't give me a sticker, but my Ivana gave me a sticker. She says, hi, Dee Dee. Thanks for trading. I hope you love your new Dooney. Hugs and kisses, Ivana. Look at, she's got beautiful, beautiful writing. Can y'all see that? There you go. Beautiful penmanship. Look at the ducky. I definitely don't have this ducky. I don't have very many. I have like 3. I have like 3. I have several coming from Jackie, from Jack's Bag Attack. So if we ever get to meet up, hopefully we'll get to meet up here in May. And before the kids go full blown into summer and I have all the granny duty. She included the dust bag, of course. Oh, look, you're so organized, Ivana. I have been thinking about doing this. I just have not got around to it. When I do get my bag room situated, I definitely want to do that. It's got the, I didn't even care about what the inside of the bag looked like. It still has the little thingies in there. Let's see. Here is the inside of the bag. Look at that. It has the strap, the crossbody strap, and with gold hardware. I love it. It's like this navy with this gold hardware, and has the key fob, the old key fobs, and it has the navy. Love when they do the navy. I still wish that Dooney would upgrade instead of all of them being this color on the key keeper, that it would match the hardware. But I guess I understand why. It has the regular Dooney setup here in the front, has the 2 pockets. So I know that these, usually my cell phones will fit in here, but these are kind of small. So I don't know, my cell phone will fit in there. In the back, it has the 1 slip pocket and the zipper in here. So the regular Dooney setup, and of course she sent the card. Let's see if I can see what the name of the bag is. and she sent all the accoutrements. It's a midnight blue, gorgeous blue. Small convertible tote is what it is. Dooney's so creative with their names. Yeah, so here is what it looks like. So in case y'all want to go look it up. Oh, it's starting to rain here. Uh-oh, that means when it rains, the kids come out a different way, so it's going to be even a longer time. So this retailed for, wow, $248. $248 is the retail value on that. It's a gorgeous bag. I'm going to have to get some more information on, you know, what it's called and all that. If I get organized enough, then maybe I'll put it on the screen, but you know me, I don't. So then I hope that maybe Ivana will tell me, or says what. They're usually the best ones to. Says what is like the queen of information. But this is a great size. Look at that. And did I show y'all? It has feet. It's gorgeous. Oh, I love this color. Love this bag. Oh, I think I might have to move into this bag quickly. I don't know when this video will go up, hopefully soon, but love it. Thank you so much, Ivana, for the trade. I made out like a bandit. I love it. I hope you love your handbag that we traded, and hope that you like it. Thank you for my sweet note and my ducky sticker. So thank you very much, Bean Beauties. Or here, as you said, it's raining. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this short, and hopefully I can get this up pretty soon. I will tell you when today is actually May the 1st. So today's May the 1st. So hopefully I can get this up to you, edited, and then I can reach out to Ivana and see when she's ready, because I know Ivana filmed hers before I left on vacation. So it's just a matter of trying to coordinate and getting them uploaded at the same time. Oh, there. Let's block the there so you can see me a little bit better. All right, Bean Beauties, I love y'all so much. Woo! A car unboxing collab. Craziness. But I gotta keep it real, and I gotta keep it spontaneous for y'all, so that y'all will keep watching, okay? Plus, my table is full of all my vacation stuff, and so forget it. I'm not even clearing off my table so I can video in there. All right, Bean Beauties, love y'all. Talk to y'all later. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.